Dear friends and my wonderful listeners, do not skip or leave this video in between, because today I will put light into the more common emotions of every human being, whether male or female. Do you want to know what is that? Then you have to complete this video. Wait, I will tell you about the dark side of love. Let's start the journey. Love, that enigmatic and paradoxical emotion, has captivated the hearts and minds of individuals throughout history. Beyond its portrayal as a beautiful force that unites souls, love conceals a complexity that extends far beyond surface-level splendor. Nestled within its realm lies a concealed underbelly, rich with perplexing and enigmatic details. This video seeks to explore the depths of these darker aspects of love, peeling back the layers to reveal the unspoken connections that bind individuals in ways that transcend traditional narratives of bliss and serenity. Love is often regarded as a profound emotion that intricately weaves together the lives of those it touches. From ancient tales of star-crossed lovers to modern-day romances, it has played a central role in human experiences, fueling our desires and shaping our destinies. Yet, beneath its enchanting facade, love harbors complexities that surpass the simplistic ideals portrayed in popular culture. It is this nuanced understanding of love that compels us to delve deeper into its intricacies. Love possesses an intricate character, one that defies easy categorization. It can be both a source of immense joy and a wellspring of deep pain. It can bring two souls together in perfect harmony, but it can also tear them apart, leaving scars that and transformative emotion that has the power to shape the course of human lives. Love is often associated with notions of passion, longing, and connection, serving as a driving force for romantic relationships, familial bonds, and friendships alike. Yet, behind the veneer of its intoxicating allure, love harbors a hidden complexity that defies easy categorization. One aspect of love that may be overlooked is its potential for vulnerability and pain. As individuals open themselves up to the possibilities of love, they expose themselves to the inherent risk of rejection, heartbreak, and disappointment. The very act of loving someone involves placing trust in another person, relinquishing a degree of control over one's own emotions, and willingly subjecting oneself to the uncertainties that accompany such an intimate connection. Furthermore, love can be a source of internal conflict and turmoil. It is not uncommon for individuals to find themselves torn between conflicting desires and obligations in the pursuit of love. The path of love is rarely straightforward or without obstacles, as it often demands compromises and sacrifices. One may grapple with questions of loyalty, commitment, and personal fulfillment, all of which can introduce complexities into the dynamics of a relationship. The enigmatic nature of love also manifests in its ability to elicit a wide range of emotions, both positive and negative. Alongside the euphoria and joy that love brings, there exists the potential for jealousy, possessiveness, and even obsession. Love can ignite intense feelings of attachment and longing, blurring the boundaries between self and other. This fusion of emotions can lead to a sense of entanglement and dependency, where one's well-being becomes intertwined with that of their beloved. Another intriguing facet of love lies in its capacity to defy conventional expectations and societal norms. Love does not discriminate based on age, gender, or social status, often prevailing against all odds. Tales of forbidden or unconventional loves abound in literature and history, challenging societal expectations and norms. This defiance of conventions adds a layer of complexity to the intricate tapestry of love, highlighting its ability to transcend boundaries and ignite passions that defy reason. The enigmatic qualities of love, nestled within its beauty and splendor, invite exploration and contemplation. By acknowledging and delving into the hidden complexities of love, we can gain a deeper understanding of this universal yet deeply personal experience. In conclusion, love is far from a simple and one-dimensional emotion. It encompasses a myriad of emotions, desires, and conflicts that delve into the depths of human existence. Love, in all its paradoxical glory, continues to captivate, challenge, and enrich the lives of individuals throughout history. Linger long after the love itself has faded. These darker aspects of love are often left unexplored, overshadowed by the more uplifting narratives that dominate our collective consciousness. However, they play a significant role in shaping the human experience. Love can be possessive, suffocating individuals within its grasp. Love can give rise to jealousy, insecurity, and resentment, poisoning the very relationship it once nurtured. The intensity of love's emotions can lead to destructive behaviors, blurring the boundaries between passion and obsession. Moreover, love is not solely confined to romantic relationships. The bonds forged through friendship, family, and community also fall under its vast and intricate domain. In these connections, love can be a double-edged sword, capable of both nourishing and suffocating. When love becomes possessive in these contexts, it can transform into controlling and manipulative behavior, stifling the growth and autonomy of those it claims to cherish. The complexities of love are further compounded when societal expectations and cultural norms come into play. Love, which is often portrayed as a universal force, is heavily influenced by external factors. Societal pressures, gender roles, and societal expectations can all shape the dynamics of a relationship, adding layers of complexity that can be difficult to navigate. In conclusion, love is far from a simple and one-dimensional emotion. It encompasses a myriad of emotions, desires, and conflicts that delve into the depths of human existence. The enigmatic qualities of love, nestled within its beauty and splendor, invite exploration and contemplation. By acknowledging and delving into the hidden complexities of love, we can gain a deeper understanding of this universal yet deeply personal experience. Love is far more intricate and enigmatic than commonly depicted. Its depths contain a myriad of emotions and experiences, both sublime and tumultuous. By exploring the darker aspects of love, we gain a deeper understanding of the complexities that exist beyond the surface. It is through these unspoken connections, fraught with challenges and contradictions, that love reveals its true nature, a force equal parts beauty and darkness, ecstasy and despair. Love, with all its convolutions and enigmas, is far from a plain and direct voyage. It is a convoluted and multifaceted encounter that resembles a maze, requiring skillful navigation through a wide array of sentiments, yearnings, and trials. To genuinely grasp the essence of love, one must embark on a profound exploration of the intricate web spun by human emotions and connections. Comparable to a labyrinth, love presents unforeseen twists and turns, with moments of delight and bliss intertwined with unforeseen obstacles and predicaments. This can render it a thrilling and splendid adventure, yet also overwhelming and intimidating. Love demands dedication, patience, and comprehension as we navigate through this intricate kingdom of feelings and attachments. Unraveling the complexities of love entails delving into the depths of our own emotions and vulnerabilities, as well as comprehending the desires and necessities of our beloved counterparts. Love is firmly entwined with the fundamental qualities that define our humanity: vulnerability, ardor, yearning, and the capacity for profound intimacy. Within the tapestry of these emotions and desires, love assumes various forms. Love can be the amorous love shared between partners, a profound bond that brings both immense joy and potential heartache. It can also manifest as the unconditional love parents have for their offspring, a selfless devotion that involves sacrifice and nurturing. Additionally, love may manifest in true friendships, where unwavering support and care are given freely. Love can also be a fervent dedication directed towards a creative pursuit, igniting a fire within the spirit and propelling artistic expression. Each form of love comes with its own set of challenges and rewards, carving its own distinctive path to navigate. Furthermore, love is a dynamic and transformative force. What initially captivates us about someone or something has the potential to shift and evolve over time, presenting new opportunities for growth or unexpected challenges. The pursuit of love frequently entails a profound sense of revelation as we peel back the layers of ourselves and others, perpetually learning, adapting, and deepening our comprehension of the complex nature of human connection. Ultimately, the labyrinth of love offers us a lifelong journey of exploration and personal development. As we navigate through it, we uncover the depths of our emotions and the intricacies of our relationships, allowing us to grow and evolve. In today's narration, we embark on an exploration of the intricate and often perplexing nature of obsessive love. Delving into its depths, we will shed light on the delicate line that separates the realms of love and obsession, peeling back the layers that shroud this complex issue. Our focus extends beyond surface observations as we dive into the profound psychological factors that underlie and contribute to this intriguing phenomenon. Obsessive love, in its essence, resides at the crossroads where passion becomes all-consuming, blurring the boundaries of rationality and overwhelming the object of affection. What sets it apart from a healthy, genuine love is the intensity and fixated fixation that accompany it. It evolves into an overpowering force that knows no bounds, infiltrating every facet of the individual's thoughts, actions, and emotions. Understanding the distinction between love and obsession requires a careful examination of the intricate dynamics inherent within relationships. Love emerges from a place of mutual respect, trust, and admiration, giving individuals a sense of fulfillment, companionship, and emotional support. In contrast, obsession thrives on an insatiable desire for possession and control over the object of one's affection, disregarding the fundamental principles of respect and autonomy. To unravel the complex enigma of obsessive love, we delve into the profound psychological factors that contribute to its development. Often, individuals who experience obsessive love have deep-seated insecurities, stemming from past traumas or unresolved emotional wounds. These insecurities manifest themselves as a need for constant reassurance and validation from their partners, leading to a constant craving for attention and proximity. Furthermore, obsessive love can be fueled by underlying attachment